In this video, I'm just going to go through how you can authorize your documents using the new Basecone app. So I'm just going to bring up my phone on my laptop. So when you log into the application, first time around it's going to ask you for a username, password and office code, which should have been given to you. Then when you get past that stage, you're just going to have to set yourself a 5-digit PIN code, which you can use moving forward to log into your account. You can also use biometrics, so you can set up your fingerprint as well if you need to. So once you log in, it's going to give you a list of all the companies that you currently have access to and to-do lists, so how many documents are assigned to you or need your attention. So I'm going to go into company 2. So this is giving me an overview of the documents that are assigned to me, so I can work through them. So if I click on this top one here, it's going to give me a preview of that document. So I could zoom in on this if I wanted to, and when I click the zoom button, I'll be able to scroll between all the different pages if it's more than one page long. If there's been any comments left on this document, I'll be able to view them here. There's no comments on here yet. But if I need to leave a comment, say for example, I want to approve this invoice, but I want to tell the person booking it to book to a certain code 7000 for example, I can leave a comment on there, and that will go back to the booker of the document with a time and date stamp as well on my comment. So if I go back to my documents, if a document's been assigned to me incorrectly, and it should actually be assigned to a different authorizer within the company, I can click on this little icon up at the top right here. And so at the moment it's assigned to me, PM, but if I want to assign it to another authorizer, say for example Sophie, I can click here and I just need to provide a reason as to why I'm reassigning this document over to my colleague. Once I've done that, I just click submit and that document will no longer be in my workload. Here I can also view the authorizations. So my username is project manager, but if I wanted to see who else has authorized this document, say for example there's been 2 authorizers, I'll be able to view that information within here as well. So I'm just going to come out of that now and go back to the document. If I want to reject it, I'll just click reject, but I have to leave a reason as to why I'm rejecting it, and that reason will be carried with that document when it goes back into the Basecone reject box, or I can approve it. If I'm not sure and I want to come back, I can just click next and it will take me to the next document that's in my to-do list. So if we go back, if I want to switch companies at this point, I can just click the back button here and I can click this icon and then I can switch to my other company as well. So I go back into here and I go back into this document. I'm just going to approve it and I will approve this one as well. I can see that things are now catching up. I've actually assigned myself some more documents in here. So if I click onto this one and look at the comments, I can actually see that someone has left me some comments as well. So that's how that would look when that document comes through. So if I go back to that overview, I can see comments have been left because it's got a little speech bubble here. So essentially all you need to do is click onto them, view them, reject, approve, leave a comment if necessary, and just work your way through your to-do list until you've cleared it down completely.